I'm doing this video, which is kind of a commentary, some talking about Legos. I had 2 boxes like this, filled with Legos. You can see. I don't know, it's about the size of my palm. No, not that tall, but like how many fire trucks? Obviously destroyed. Monster truck. See the mini guy. Oh, this guy. Actually, my little Nikolai. I'm supposed to be in very behind, but it's fine. I mean, some things you learn. The race car that was finished. Another little thingy. I don't know what that's for. Great. First person comment to look at my trash. I don't know, it's just pieces. You know, I can do something like this. Oh, who are you supposed to be? Well, he's got the wrong head on and the wrong pants on. But he was supposed to be a zombie. It's like, you know, Ziggler was supposed to be rips. I could probably white out it and then do like scratches. I don't know where my guns are. I mean, I still got 2 boxes. Got like beards. Little sniper rifle. Bag of zombie have a sniper rifle. Shoot a little guy. Yeah. I usually use these as like guns. Wheels. A bar attack. Little bar. I don't know. Make this into a sickle. Little Easter, little thingy for Easter egg, like the telephone. I don't know, like something like when you turn on the power, like the beam lights around. Well, right there is my rocket ship that goes like first sanction. Got a little fire going. I had a lot. I'm just not showing you right now, but yeah, got a lot. Got like a little detector. I don't know. Well, this is gonna do what you want me. Just make it something like cool. And I'm starting it right now. You know what? I'm gonna make a little zombie one. Obviously you need a bigger piece. You know what? I don't have a big piece. I know I have good bacteria. Here's my little thingies, so don't complain or something like that. Here's my own zombie bag. And it's gonna be a beast. I've never made a zombie bag before, but this guy will be Nikolai. Nikolai. He will be. I'm gonna bend this into a sickle. This is gonna be a sickle. Nikolai should talk the sickle. I'll have to note something. I'll finish the sickle later. This. What? Love a blackhead? This one white head. Yeah, I have a white head. There we go. There it is. This will be a zombie. This will be a zombie. The white and black heads will be zombies. Here. See how this works out. I don't really have anything for the barriers, so I'm gonna do the one kind of do like the broken barrier. see. I can't really see right now, but I'm working on it. My video's not the best. Um, as you can see, I'm making like little walkthroughs. Like I said, that lots of stuff. I want to make the barriers like a long one. Well, I can't say I do. What? This can be the little spinny thing on a section. It spins around. You know what? I want to design it. So it's gonna go like. Switch that up a little bit. It's gonna be a thingy, like when the zombies go under it. It's just gonna kill them like everything. Not a top of it. What it's gonna do is it's gonna spin around, but it's gonna spin around, it's gonna be standing like this. Oh, yeah. I don't know if I can do it. Yeah. It's gonna spin around like this, and when it's like this, just sitting there, it's gonna be like a sand turret. But the way to make it spin around, it regenerates all of the ammo, and then it shoots. But the only way for it to shoot is you have to like pay or something like that. Obviously expensive. Everything is Black Ops. But yeah, I'm gonna put you on Mr. Floppy. Actually, I don't have any perks done yet, so like these things will become perks machines. I'll like do make up some of my own perks, stuff like that. So we've got a zombie. We just need a barrier. Where's my barrier? I guess I can make it out. Obviously, barriers are taken off. And on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like make it kind of broken. I'm gonna put a little Easter egg on here. Yeah. So as you can see, got the zombie, and it's got the barrier. And if you can see, got a thing right here. That's gonna be the Easter egg. Is the beginning of the Easter egg. You're gonna go right here. You just need one build right here, going that way. Well, that obviously is finished. Oh wow, you're tall. So kind of like the first barrier. What you have to do, you have to jump right here, jump right here, that way, as fast as you can, and you're gonna jump. When you hang onto here, you're gonna jump up here. You are gonna walk onto here, go across here, go right here, go right here, jump in, and you're out of the map. As Nicholas, the only person that can do that, says a sickle, and a sickle holds on to the barrier. I'm gonna get it so you can see me together. I'm gonna have to take it backwards. I'm gonna make a wall. So I'm gonna make, oh wow, 39 minutes. But I'm gonna make a lot of videos. I want to obviously go to 15. So yeah. There's my little spinny thing. I'm gonna put that like right there. It's gonna go like and it's gonna kill the zombies. I'm gonna have a broken truck right here, like in this section. I'm gonna make like a little teleporter, you know what? This time it's not gonna be a teleporter, this time it's gonna be a boat. And this is gonna be in another room, this is gonna be like the first door. There's gonna be like 2 berries. Like, move. Let's just come on. This is where you start. You start like Ascension. You know what? I am gonna have landers. Moving landers. Peaceful lander right there. Peaceful lander. So it's gonna have stuff. And I don't know what to put on it. Put on it because Zetcha. Sorry guys, this isn't interesting to you. I don't think it's interesting to me, but when me, I'm doing it. But if you wanna subscribe or post videos too, you can. The lander isn't obviously finished, but it's a part. In progress. I'll put this up here. I'll put this back a little bit more, so you can see the whole thing. This is nothing. It's just this and this. All this is something. All this background stuff isn't anything. You know what? I'm gonna put a tag on there. You know it? My video's almost over. I mean, this is like a gate. Then obviously goes down. This is part of it. I'll just help you over here. Let's find time for the second barrier, which means I have to put this over here. Second barrier for the second barrier. The second barrier is going to be right here. It's going to be like a thing so it's in hollow. That's like the mystery box spawning here. I go up here, and there's like, this is the stairs, this is like a little thing where you have to walk in, it's like a little hallway. I really don't have any input. Oh wow, look, it's been 12 minutes. Yep. Okay, I have a little bit of it done. And I'm making this one, so there you go.